I am here in the Haines again, a very important stop in our route to the Houston National Forest. And here we have a new bike in the group. New bike. And for those people that they say that Harley-Davidson it's not a good product, explain, Dave, what exactly is the story of this bike?
This is a 2002 Wide Glide. The last time it was ridden and licensed was actually 2010, but it's pretty much been in storage since 2006. So it's only got 10,000 miles on it. Yeah.
And runs perfect.
It runs really good.
And it was kept in garage for 10-11 years more or less.
Yeah.
And when he decided to go back, change the battery, change the fluids, lubricate everything, and droop.
And change the tires.
And change the tires, because the tires were more than 10 years old. Now they are brand new, and the bike is back, back to life. And he's the man that spent his honeymoon in Sturgis.
Yes.
That's a good story, but that is for the next video when we put his wife to explain the adventures in South Dakota.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, 160 miles.
I can feel it.
How it was?
It was good.
Good?
Good. I'm out of practice.
Thank you.
Oh. It was good. Other than my shifter not falling off.
Huh?
My shifter not falling off. It's been so long, everything vibrates. You